All right, we are savory on the table this morning. Chef Frank Terranova from McCloud's Cooking is here with...
Hey, Ma, how are you?
Good.
This is an open-faced mozzarella and pepperoni omelet. Okay, I love the open-faced omelet.
Yeah.
I don't care for them filled too much, but it's irrelevant. Okay, we're going to start off, actually very fragrant. We have some shallots and we have some garlic. After this goes in, then we're going to add some, this is spinach, actually baby spinach. I love working with baby spinach because it's all washed. You can eat the stems.
Right.
And then all you do is you rinse it very quickly to get some water on the leaves into a pan, high heat, steam it, shock it, wring it out, give it a little chop, and you're ready to go. So once the spinach is in, and now we have the eggs. Into the beaten eggs, we're going to add a marinara sauce.
Ooh.
So that's not going on top. This is going in the eggs.
Gotcha.
And just whisk it up. It's not a big deal. This is good. This is very, very simple to do. And then just pour it over the top. And then as you're working it, back your heat up a little, and then just keep moving the corners in until it starts to set, and then it goes directly into the oven. Meanwhile, we're going to take some pepperoni. So if you're vegetarian, just omit the pepperoni.
Right.
We're going to put some sliced pepperoni, and then after the pepperoni goes on, these things are like peeling dollar bills. It's so skinny. And then we have some beautiful fresh local mozzarella. And then in the oven it goes until it's firm. Slip it out.
Yeah, I thought it would look like a pizza when you first brought it out.
This is a very simple dish. Let the cheese melt.
Yeah.
And you're good to go.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, very, very savory.
Yeah,
very simple.
savory.
Nothing overpowering.
Love it. So good.
It is. Yeah, I mean, you can flip the sausage. You can flip the spinach out. You can put almost any leafy vegetable that will cook really, really quickly with it.
Could also use bacon, maybe?
No, well, we're close.
No.
We have pepperoni.
I know. Oh, it's so good.
Thank you.
And what do we call it?
This is a cheese and pepperoni open-faced omelet.
Let's be on our website.
Cranston.com.
See you next week.
And we'll be here.